What up, what up, what up though? It's your boy Travis, aka Mr. Clark Scent, aka the President. Now today we have a different type of video. It's not more of a review, it's unboxing first impressions. Okay, I haven't smelled these, I just got these in maybe about an hour ago. Got home from work. I got the notification on my phone that said, hey, your package has been delivered. If you're like me, you'd love that notification. Ordered from Crystal Fragrance. I ordered it on January 19th. And today is January 25th, so less than a week has passed and I actually ordered it and I received it. Kalispell, Montana it came from. So I have no idea where that is. I know where Montana is, up there in the north somewhere. But I have no idea where Kalispell is, never heard of it. So, but it's for it to get delivered in less than a week, that's pretty doggone good. And what did I order? It's a 5 milliliter decant of Mula Mula. But here's the good thing about what Crystal Fragrance did. She actually sent free samples of other fragrances that she actually has. So some of these I've never heard of and some of them I actually have heard of. One that I actually have heard of is from the same people who make Mula Mula. She sent Pirates. That was one that came out the same time Mula Mula did. Was 0.9. That's another one. But then the other two that she sent were To Sun with Love. That's an interesting name. I can't make out, it's so small, I can't make out what the To Sun with Love is. And then this one is Virke or Virke, V-I-R-K-E, not sure how you pronounce that, but that's what it is. And it's by Svinsky Parfum. So let's try these out. I'm gonna try out this one first. There we go. Nice little burst in that. So let it dry a little bit. Oh, that's nice. This is kind of interesting. The opening is kind of fruity and spicy at the same time. I've never heard of this, haven't looked up the notes or anything about this, but this is actually, I'm gonna try and look up the notes right now. Looking at the notes from Fragrantica. It's a fruity, fresh, aromatic, woody, musky. Yeah, I do definitely get the muskiness, but it, just like I said, it's fresh. It's a little spicy too. I got a little bit spicy too. That might be the muskiness. Virke is based on complex, dry, woody, and musky accords with delicious raspberry lingering in the heart and top. I like this. This is actually really nice. Thank you. I may have to buy. I may have to get this now. This will have to get added to the list. I may have to try. I'm gonna wear this enough. Man, this is pretty good. This is To Serve with Love by Phoebe Peacock. Alright, that's on this hand. This is soapy. Yeah, this is a soapy green. It reminds me of like when you go to like on a vacation, and if you're in the Caribbean, aquatic, it's like green type of soapy type thing. Like it's just fresh cut grass. I get a lot of green. I get a lot of soapiness. It doesn't smell like, but it's in the same ballpark as Creed's Original Vetiver. It's in that one, that Mugler clone, Creed Original Vetiver. But To Serve with Love, all right. Big sir, your California coast is calling. Blue crystalline waters in the distance. I hear you roar. Ah! I added that. Your glowing bergamot sun on the horizon. Your mountainous earth and bountiful forest leave me grounded like no other. Okay, look. Your descriptions are, you know, whatever. Y'all can think about that. You are made for man. You are made for woman. The perfect marriage of earth and sea. A match made in heaven. Come on, don't do a pop up in the middle of my read. The scent notes are bergamot and fir needle, clary sage, dirt and sea salt, oak moss and ozone. When you walk into, that's why, you know what, that sea salt is probably what's making me think of when I go on vacation to one of the different all-inclusive resorts and you go there and you just have that aroma that's in there. This reminds me of when I was like in Playa del Carmen. I was down there for a wedding. The room smelled like this, that sea salt air that comes in, you know, just you have your door open, the sea salt. You get that whiff of the sea salt. Somebody just cut some grass outside out, you know, to make sure everything looks nice. That's what this is. That's what it smells like to me. This is a nice, safe work fragrance, you know. All right, so let's move on. Next one I grabbed was Pirates. spray it right here on the inside here. All right. Okay, right off the bat, I smell some floral. I'm not sure what type of floral. This is already leaning towards more feminine to me for right now. Off the top, the opening is. I'm gonna let this dry a little bit. I mean, it's not. I don't think off the top, just off the opening right now. I don't think I'd wear it, but I gotta let it dry down. But right now, this first impression, this opening, doesn't catch me. I'm like, ooh, yeah, I want to wear it. It's okay. Let's look up the notes. Top notes are pear and bergamot. I don't get any citrus. I'm not getting a lot of citrus. I'm getting floral. Yeah, definitely getting floral. Pear and bergamot. Middle notes are jasmine, tuberose, ylang-ylang. I like how that note. Ylang-ylang. Base notes are patchouli, white musk, and amber. Okay, so I'm getting a lot of the middle notes, and that's usually how my nose works. I usually go straight into it. I have to spray a lot in order for me to get the top notes. I think I'm getting the tuberose, really, or it's the ylang-ylang. It's not the jasmine, but I'm getting the floral notes, which, you know, I'm not a big floral person, so I don't really like floral fragrances. A little sweet, but for the most part, I'm getting the florals. Next up, let's do this 0.9. I'm gonna spray this on the other. There we go. Smelling okay. Whew. I don't know what to say about it yet. It's powdery. I think it's more powdery. That's what I'm getting mostly. I wouldn't necessarily call it fresh, but it's more powdery than anything. It reminds me of something I can't think of what it is, and it's gonna bother me for a while. It's actually pretty nice though. I like this one. This one is one of the ones I would probably wear. What you got for me, Fragrantica? Let's see what the notes are on this bad boy. Okay, so the top notes are bergamot, spicy notes, and saffron. Middle note is almond. That is what I'm getting. I'm getting the almond. And now that I read that note, that's what I'm getting. It reminds me of Pegasus. And remember I said I couldn't think of what it reminds me of? That almond that Pegasus has, that's what this has. That's what's standing out to me right now. Base notes are amber, vanilla, and sandalwood. We're definitely with that almond definitely reminds me of Pegasus by Parfums de Marly. Of course, I'm gonna let all this stuff dry down, walk around being so fragrant tonight. I don't know, since I have Parfums de Marly, Pegasus, it's in the Fortress of Centitude right there. It's in the back. I have that one. So I doubt if I get this one because it's very almond heavy for me and my nose anyway, so it'd be like kind of redundant for me. And now, this is what I wanted to smell Mula Mula. People talk about this, talk about how great it is, how many compliments they get. They talk about, oh, it's so great, Mula Mula. Oh, Mula Mula. So I'm gonna spray it. I'm gonna do it here. All right, here we go. Oops, completely missed my wrist. Oh, is that? Yeah. All right, I see what the hype is about. I do. That opening smacks you in the face. It does. That fruitiness does smell very nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Mula Mula. I don't understand why they call it Mula Mula though. Somebody explain that to me, because do we know why it's called Mula Mula? You know what I hate? I hate when you type something into your phone and it decides it wants to change it to autocorrect. I know how to spell Mula. It keeps turning into Nyla or something. Like, I don't know what Nyla is. Top notes are peach, red fruit, saffron, and caramel. I say caramel, okay? Not caramel, caramel. Middle notes are cypriol oil and nagarmutha. That sounds like I'm about to cuss. Pink pepper and ginger. Base notes are agarwood, benzoin, musk, Peru balsam, patchouli, and vanilla. Red fruits? I don't know. People say strawberry, so I'm just gonna say it smells like strawberry, but I don't know. I guess it is a mixture. I don't know, man. Look, it smells good. All right, it's fruity. It's fruity at the top with some caramel, some vanilla in the base. That's what it smells like to me. That's what I'm getting all of that. It smells good. I will, once I run through this 5 milliliter decant, I'll probably buy it. This is definitely full bottle worthy. So I will say, hype is real with this one. I wanna wear it out and see about how many compliments I get. So this Virke is on my list. I don't think I get the other 3 though. I don't think the other 3 are something I'll probably purchase. This one might get purchased, but I don't know. I mean, it'd be like the last minute. Like if I find this on a discount, to some to Sun with Love. Yeah, no, 0.9 I won't get because it's redundant to me unless it develops into something different and it smells different than Pegasus, then I probably won't get it. More than likely I won't get it. It's not bad, but, and then Pirates is a little too fruity, too floral. I'm not a big floral guy, you know. So the two I would probably get would be Mula Mula and Virke. This Virke is pretty nice, I like it. Well, if you like these type of videos, make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification button, and follow me on Instagram at It's QuinteScential. This has been another edition of QuinteScential. See y'all next time.